she's finished. Hello and welcome back to the final video of the scrap guitar build. Great guitar build off. As you've seen in the last video, we finished putting her together. I got her all tuned in, and now we're going to do a demo. I have been having a lot of fun playing this thing, and I'm so happy to be done with it. So in this, I'm just going to show off the various pickup positions. I'm just going to play a few simple things just to go through it. We'll do both clean and distorted. I'm going to do this on my Line 6 Amplify. Without further ado, let's get into the playthrough. So there you have it, just some noodling around, and as you can see it works. Final thoughts on this, I have had just a blast. Now of course I would love to win, as I'm sure anybody who has joined this competition would. There are a lot of great ones out there, so I feel like I have quite the competition out there. But either way, I have gained a lot along the way, not only in followers and subscribers and all of that, but just in pushing my boundaries alone. A lot of what I did here wasn't too out of the norm, but there were things that were pushing the boundaries for me a little bit. And in particular, if I could leave you with anything, it's that don't necessarily assume that the mistake you made is scrapped. As you can see, it turned out pretty well for me. Now, I love the design of this thing, and I do plan to do more like this in the future. There are some things that I obviously would change because I already started with a canvas that was started. Obviously, starting from a blank canvas, I could change a lot. If you enjoyed this build, stick around, subscribe. I'm already planning another one. And I of course plan to take part in this next year if they do run it. Whether I'm part of the main competition or I do this unofficial competition on the side here. And as always, if you like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.